Starting a cybersecurity career. Why certifications matter.
Cybersecurity certifications provide structure, credibility, and essential knowledge for newcomers. Entry-level professionals often benefit from earning well-recognized certifications, which signal foundational skills to employers and can open doors to job opportunities in a competitive field. Today, we'll explore the most recommended certification paths for beginners eager to launch a successful cybersecurity career.
The foundation, CompTIA Security Plus.
Many cybersecurity careers begin with CompTIA Security Plus. This globally recognized certification covers essential topics like network security, threats, vulnerabilities, and risk management. Its beginner-friendly approach requires no formal prerequisites, making it an ideal starting point for those new to the field. Holding Security Plus demonstrates practical security knowledge valued by employers.
Next step, CompTIA CySA Plus or Cisco CCNA.
After Security Plus, candidates often pursue the CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst, CySA Plus, or Cisco Certified Network Associate, CCNA. CySA Plus focuses on threat detection and response, making it excellent for those interested in monitoring and defense roles. The CCNA, while network-focused, provides crucial networking expertise, which is foundational for many cybersecurity positions.
Expanding horizons. Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH.
A popular next step is the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, certification. It introduces penetration testing and ethical hacking techniques, helping professionals learn how to assess systems for vulnerabilities. CEH is valued by employers seeking to defend against cyber threats by understanding attackers' methods, giving certification holders a practical, hands-on edge.
Alternative paths, ISC2, SSCP, and Microsoft certifications.
The ISC2 System Security Certified Practitioner SSCP provides a strong foundation in access controls, cryptography, and security operations. Alternatively, Microsoft Certified Security, Compliance, and Identity Fundamentals offers grounding in cloud and enterprise security. These certifications are ideal for those interested in specialized paths or technology-specific security roles.
Choosing your path forward.
Selecting a certification path depends on your interests and career goals. Starting with Security Plus and progressing to CySA Plus, CEH, or SSCP builds comprehensive skills for various entry-level roles. Research job postings, talk to professionals, and consider which certifications align with your aspirations in cybersecurity.